The CEO of the most powerful AI company on the planet just confirmed our worst fears. Not in a leak, not in a secret memo. He said it out loud on camera. Jobs lost, disruption everywhere. Some harm is expected. Jensen Huang, the billionaire founder of Nvidia, just told the world AI will hurt, and it's already happened. This isn't fear talking. This is a man building the future, admitting it won't be painless. So, what does this mean for the rest of us? When I first heard Jensen say it, I paused. Not because it was shocking, but because it confirms what many of us have been sensing, that AI isn't just a cool tool. It's not just ChatGPT helping you write emails. It's a tidal wave, and people in charge, they know it. They're building it anyway. He wasn't warning us. He was laying it out like a fact. Like, yeah, jobs will be lost. Some harm will happen, but that's progress. That hit me because it made me wonder, what role do we actually get to play in all of this? According to Jensen, AI is about to reshape everything. He says in just 3 to 5 years, we'll have robots that can see, understand, and act. Imagine telling a robot, go clean the kitchen, and it just does it. He calls them VLA models, vision, language, action. That's not science fiction. That's Nvidia's roadmap. Then there's medicine. He believes AI will help cure disease by decoding proteins, speeding up drug recovery, and even helping scientists crack human biology. And at Nvidia, using AI isn't optional, it's mandatory. Think about that. The people building AI are required to use AI to do their jobs. This isn't some distant future, it's happening right now. Here's what's not being talked about. Nvidia isn't just making AI faster. They're deciding who gets to use it, how it's built, and what it costs to access. They're not a middleman, they're the gatekeeper. Every major AI tool, ChatGPT, Gemini, and even the stuff running inside Tesla, relies on Nvidia's chips. That means one company controls the hardware that powers the future. Jensen says AI will make us richer and that we need to bring manufacturing back to the US. Sounds patriotic, right? But also sounds like consolidation. More control, fewer players, the same pattern we've seen before with Facebook, with Amazon. Utopian promises up front, real power grabs behind the scenes. Let me ask you this. Do you trust companies like Nvidia to shape the future for all of us? Not just the tech, but the jobs, the medicine, the security. Or should we be asking tougher questions before it's too late? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Agree or disagree, I want to hear it. If this made you think, good. We've got more coming on tech shifts, power moves, and what they're not telling us. So hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because whether it's AI or the next big pivot, we're breaking it down right here.